Hello, I am Dheeraj Diwakar. I am from Delhi. I have completed my BTech in computer science. One day I came to know about the Evision through my friend. I have joined Evision in January 2024. Evision is an IT recruitment and consulting company. I had joined full day online job internship program here. Now I got placed in Smart System Solution Private Limited with 2.2 LPA. Evision is the best platform for those who want to make their career in IT field and for the fresher and job seekers. The staff and the trainer of eVision are very helpful, supportive, and well experienced. I am very glad that I joined eVision, and I also recommended other to please join eVision for their career growth. So thank you so much, uh, eVision team, for their support.